I'm so excited because there's some really amazing designer handbags that you need to know about that are actually affordable. Hey guys, it's Christina and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys some designer handbags that are all less than $1,500, which are affordable when it comes to designer goods. A lot of handbags are definitely $2,000 to $3,000. So when you find a handbag that's around $1,500 or less, that's a pretty good deal for something that is designer. So I'm going to share with you some really great handbags that are going to be super fashionable in 2020 that are actually affordable. So the first handbag I want to talk about is the YSL wallet on a chain. This is one of my favorite handbags. As you guys know, if you watch my videos, I'm obsessed with this bag. I actually got mine pre-owned and I spent about $800 on this. So there are options to buy handbags pre-owned and save a ton of money, but this bag retails for $1,500. Actually, I think it's $1,550, but you're gonna forgive me for the extra $50. But yeah, so this handbag is totally worth it. If you can get it pre-owned, I recommend that because you'll save so much money. So I'll leave links to that below. But if you want to buy it brand new, which I know a lot of people do like to buy handbags brand new, then you can get this for a really decent price. And YSL is just one of my favorite brands. And I really love this bag. I wear it all the time. I travel with it. I wear it at night. I wear it during the day. It's really versatile and one of my favorite bags. So sticking with YSL, I want to talk about the YSL Mini Lou bag. This bag is adorable. I think it is so cute. It comes in just at $1,000 and it comes in multiple colors. What I love about it is it has a full chain strap, which makes it so classy and so pretty. And I think that this bag is really great. It is a little bit small. I tried it on in stores. So this handbag doesn't fit a ton of stuff inside of it, but it does fit the essentials. So if you are like a girl on the go and you don't really need a lot of stuff with you, then this bag is fantastic. I also feel like it's a great starter bag to get you into the YSL collection or just your first designer bag in general. I think is a really cute bag. So if you want to spend a little bit more money and you want more room, then check out the YSL Lou camera bag. This comes in at $1,250 and I love this bag. I did try this one on in stores as well, and this fits a ton of stuff in it. You can really fit a lot of things and it's such a beautifully well-made bag. However, what I wish they would have made the full chain strap on this handbag, but they didn't. It is just a plain leather strap, so I feel like that makes it a little less like luxurious like the Mini Lou, and it is more expensive, but you're pretty much just paying more money for more space. So if you're the type of person that needs like more room, then you might want to consider this one. I think I like the Mini Lou better just because of the gold chain. But it does fit less, so it's kind of like more space, or do you want an all chain strap? So decisions, but either way, both of them are really well priced. So next up, I want to talk about the Gucci Marmont camera bag. Now I have spoken in other videos how I think the Gucci Marmont bag is like dead, it's so played out, but when it comes to the camera bag, that is the one Gucci Marmont bag that I do think still has life left in it. I think that those bags are here to stay. It's more like the small, like the bigger size, like shoulder bags that are played out. I think that the camera bags are gonna be here for a while. They're a really great price point, and I love the new ones that just came out. They just have the new collection, and it's this like very bright and colorful one for summer. I think it's so cute. And depending what size you get, the smallest one is less than $1,000. It's the mini size, and if you get the small one, it's about $1,200. And I think that these are really classy, cute bags. And I do think that these are still good for 2020 and years to come. I don't think that this handbag is as trendy and as outdated looking as the shoulder bags. I think that these are just a really great price point, and I do think that a lot of people are going to continue to buy them. So next I want to talk about this Burberry leather crossbody bag. What I love about Burberry is it's very understated. This bag is at $1,090, and I feel like Burberry is never trendy when it comes to handbags, which I guess could be a good thing or a bad thing, but it's good for your future because it's really never going to look outdated, because I promise you this is not going to be like an it bag. A lot of people aren't going to have this bag, and it's just very classy. So if you like to be a little more understated, this might be a bag you want to consider. I think it's really cute. I don't really own any Burberry bag, but I do love Burberry outerwear. I think that they are so amazing at outerwear, but I do like how more understated their handbags are. So if you are more like a classy, understated lady, then you should look at this one. So all brands seem to be jumping on the camera bag trend. I feel like the camera bag is just a style that a lot of women want to wear because it's very practical and it's always at a good price point. So Prada came out with a camera bag and I am here for it. I think it is really cute. Like how the leather has like ridges to it. I think it's super classy, and I think that this handbag is really classy and it's not going to be overdone. Like you're not going to see a million people with it. So I really do like it. And I think it's a good price as well. It's definitely cheaper to get the Gucci bag. So it just depends more if you want to be kind of like everybody and trendy with Gucci, or if you want to be a little bit different and not have the same bag everyone has, then check out the Prada camera bag. It's really cute. So if Louis Vuitton is your thing, then definitely check out the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM size. This is the medium size, and this comes in exactly at $1,500. This is one of my favorite bags. It's so functional. There's a reason why everyone has this bag, and it's one of the most classic Louis Vuitton pieces. This handbag will never go out of style. I'm telling you, this is here to stay. I love canvas. It's super durable. And you guys, the prices are gonna go up. They just did a second price increase in 2020. And rumor has it they're going to do another one in November. That's usually when they do it. And when they do it in November, this bag will no longer be $1,500. It's going to go above that, probably into like the 16s. So yeah, if you want this bag, try to save up and get it before November. We're not going to regret it. It is just such a functional bag. It took me personally a long time to buy it, because I was like, oh my God, everybody has this bag. It's so basic. It is basic, but it's so good. It's so functional, and I love functional bags. Like if I'm gonna be spending money on these handbags, they better be easy to wear. And this is so easy to wear. I take this one to work, and then I have the bigger one as well, and I use that for like traveling. So yeah, I love it. I'm almost like tempted to buy one more just because I know the prices keep going up. And like, I don't know, how many Neverfulls do you guys have? I know some people have like a ton of them. I would love to know in the comments. So those are 7 handbags under $1,500 that are perfect for 2020. You're gonna absolutely love them. And if you love this video, then check out the best Louis Vuitton handbags that you should consider purchasing. I narrowed it down to 10 handbags. It's the best of Louis Vuitton. So you're gonna wanna check out that video next, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.